Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your home wireless phone which doesn't charge when you put it on its docking station. So let's go straight to it and I'm gonna show you what is the problem. So first we need to check the voltage from the docking station itself to see if this docking is the problem. So let's plug it in just like that. I'm going to turn it on and let's check the voltage. Let's turn this multimeter on. It should show some value. If not, it means that the problem comes from this docking station. So let's make contact with this. So you see the voltage goes up and down. That means the docking station is the problem. It could be that the metal part, the metal contact have become corroded somehow. So I'm going to clean it first and see if that fixes the problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a knife. Yep, I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to scratch the metal parts which goes from the docking station, and I'm going to scratch it like this. So that it will have a better contact with metal. There you go. Until it looks shiny. So I'm gonna do that. You can do it on various angles so that it will have a better contact with metal. There you go. And do the same thing on the left, on the right side as well. There you go. So I'm gonna do with this with the phone too, just to make sure that both will get better contact. You scratch it until you see that the metal is becoming shiny. That means it is good. Okay, now let's test back. Let's check the voltage again. Turn this on and see if it works. Okay, check this once again. Oops, that seems to work. Okay, that seems to work. Now let's put the phone on its docking station and see if it works. Oops, it looks like it's booting up. I don't know. You can see that. I don't know if that is a sign of charging. So I'm gonna leave it for maybe 15 minutes to see if it boots up. So let's see. So after leaving this thing to charge for about 1 hour, I came back and I see that the phone is already full, charged to full bar right there. So basically that's it. I guess it fixed the problem. Now you can see if I pick this one up and I just drop it back in, it is charging back. So I guess that's the fix for this video. If you enjoy watching my video, please give a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.